Oh, hi. This is the Mathization channel. I'm going to give you the area of a circle formula. I gave it in some previous videos, some other derivations. It's good to know them all. It just helps everything. You don't have to, of course, memorize them or anything. Okay, uh, this is well known. I didn't invent it. It's take an infinite number of triangles with the height, which is in the middle of the triangle, the right triangle here. When they're really thin, is approximate a equilateral or isosceles triangle, and the height's equal to the radius. So it's an infinite number of these triangles, and the base is equal to a small segment of the circle. I'm going to try to give a proper derivation of it. Okay, let's start here. The area of the circle can be summed as an infinite number of thin triangles with a height equal to the radius of the circle and a base being nearly a line segment. The smaller you make it in that area, of the circumference length. Okay, I'm going to try to give it a proper analysis. I mean, other ones they're right, but they're not given the proper derivation of the formula. So it is, let me see, so, okay. The area of the circle, well, I hope I don't get messed up here in the shadows here. Area of the circle equals, getting this from my writings from my Mathization ebook, Math is Science. So we have area of the circle equals, n triangles, and times the area of each triangle. So the higher the number, of course, the smaller area of each triangle, but it's still the same result in area. Okay, that equals n, and the area of the triangle is base times the radius, base times the height. This is base times the radius, divided by 2. And that could be algebraically written as n times b times r divided by 2. Okay, and that could be written as n times b will give us the total length of the circumference. So put the area of the circle equals the circumference times r divided by 2, and that equals 2 pi r times r divided by 2, and you get pi r squared. So let me check if that's all on this. Pi r squared. This value here, 2cr, circumference times the radius divided by 2, is the area of a rectangle or general parallelogram. A rectangle is just an instance of a parallelogram. But it's easier just to say a rectangle. Like a triangle's half the area of a rectangle. That's why the formula is like that, divide by 2. And that's another derivation. Okay, thank you.